In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a group on Monday.com. Deleting a group is a simple process, but it's important to understand exactly what you're doing so you don't lose anything by accident. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly, and you can follow along in your own account as we go. First, make sure you're on the correct board. A group in Monday.com is basically a section that organizes your items or tasks within a board. So start by opening the board that contains the group you want to remove. Take a quick moment to double-check that you're in the right place, especially if you work with multiple boards that look similar. Once you're on the correct board, look for the group you want to delete. You'll see the group title on the left side of your screen, usually with its name and color. Move your mouse over that group title. When you hover over it, a small three-dot menu icon will appear to the left of the title. This is sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu. Go ahead and click that three-dot menu. This will open a drop-down list with several options related to that group, such as duplicating, archiving, and other settings. Scroll down through that list until you find the option labeled Delete. Since this is a permanent change, pause for a second here and make sure you've selected the correct group before continuing. When you're sure, click on Delete. As soon as you do that, Monday.com will display a confirmation pop-up. This confirmation step is designed to prevent accidental changes because deleting a group will remove the group itself and all of the items inside it. In the confirmation window, you'll see a blue Delete button. Read the message in the pop-up so you understand that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. If you're absolutely certain you no longer need anything in that group, click the blue Delete button to confirm. After you confirm, the group and all its items will be permanently removed from the board. Take a moment to review your board and make sure everything looks the way you expect. If you're unsure in the future, consider archiving a group instead of deleting it so you have a backup you can restore later.